Hello, this video is about the formation and conduction of volcanoes as it relates to plate tectonics. My name is Kelsey Mueller, and I'm from Mr. Day's class. So first I will begin explaining, we will be modeling the composite cone volcano. They are usually thousands of feet high and miles wide. They are formed this way, all starting with the subduction of one plate over the other. As material from the subducted plate moves closer to the Earth, it starts melting, forming molten material, which is magma. And here I am making a visual representation of the model. Here's the magma. So the magma will rise to the crust and through the cracks. It releases gases and liquids to cause an eruption. Now, this eruption process over time creates a buildup of debris consisting of ash and pyroclastic material. Which is shown in these colors here. Okay, so the ash and the pyroclastic material that builds up will form the huge mountain formation as we know it today. Which again, this took millions of years to officially complete. Alright, so as the plates are still subducting over time, causing more material to be melted, this material, through intense heat and pressure, find a way to escape through the vent, through the middle of the volcano, using that pressure, to escape through the crater of a volcano, which is usually about less than 1 kilometer in diameter. So, as the magma reaches the surface, it becomes lava. This lava is able to travel up to 200 kilometers per hour, or down the slope. So with the flow of lava, although, there comes a rush of ash and debris and pyroclastic material into the air all around the volcano. Sometimes it comes down along with the lava. Which can be extremely dangerous. Volcanoes are a fascinating piece of the Earth, which we have a lot to learn from. They take entirely old material, whether from the core or from the subduction zones, and create something entirely new.